Hi humans, welcome to the Architects Workshop. I'm Lola Ofto. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create and edit our floors and partition walls and our curtain walls. Previous episodes of the free Revit 101 course are linked in the top right hand corner on your screen. Just click on the eye. So let's get started. So far, we've been able to build up our walls up to this level and create our topography. So in today's tutorial, we're going to put in our floors, and to do that, we're going to need to go to our ground floor. So when you get to your ground floor, just zoom out, come under our architecture tab, and we're going to click on floor, and we see that we have our generic floor 400mm floor. So we could easily edit that by going to edit type, because we want to create our own floor. So let's just say ours is 150mm reg floor. You can name yours whatever you want. This is what I'm going to name mine. And then I'm going to click on that structure here. I'm going to click on edit, and I'm going to change the value to 150 on that structure. I'm going to click OK. So when I'm done, I'll click OK again. Now this pick walls line on your edit tab or your modify tab, just click on it, hover over one of the walls and click tab. And then we're going to repeat the same thing for here. So we have all our walls selected, highlighted. Click escape and then click finish edit mode. A pop-up will come up. Would you like these walls that go up to this floor's level to attach to this bottom? Just click no. No. And then you're good to go. So if we would like to see the floor we created, there's an easy way of doing that. We can just, if you click on one of the walls through the blue, you can see that the floor you created is showing, or you can set your visibility to wireframe. Then you'll be able to see your floor right here. This blue line that's showing that's your floor that you just created, showing right there. So we're going to go back to hidden line. If you do this, so next we're going to create our floor for the first floor. So you go to the first floor plan. We're going to repeat the same process. You click on floor and then pick wall line, and then we're going to select tab. So what we're going to do for this floor is we're going to have to extend this one out and bring this one in. So just click on this line, hold it down, and just drag down back like this, right? If that notification pops up, just ignore it. Just click escape. And then click on your trim and extend tool. Click on this and this one. And then delete this line. So for this line now, just click on it and just drag it outside to align with this wall, with the outer wall. And then we're going to click on this line too, and we're going to drag it inside to align with this internal wall here. So just like that, we've been able to create our floor. And you click finish edit mode. Here's what we've created so far. Good. So next we're going to put in our doors. So we're going to go back to our ground floor, and then we're going to click on doors. But when you click on door, you notice that you just have one door in your project at that time. So at the time, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to load family. I've linked the download folder in the description box below so that you'll be able to get the components that I'm using in this project. Or you can download your own components at Revit Objects. Just click on any of the links in the description box below. Here, I'm going to click on Tooth Comp, and I'm going to just expand this so that I can see the particular doors I'm looking for. And I'm going to highlight all the doors that I need for this project. They should be in your folder if you've downloaded this specific folder. And I'm going to click open. So I'm just going to let that load. Yes, all the 3 doors have been loaded into our project. Right now, I'm just going to click on this one. I'm going to look for the biggest door, this M double glass 2 door. I'm going to look for the biggest one, which is 1830 by 2134. So I'm just going to come here and click on this side. So what I want us to do now is to create our curtain wall. Once you've placed your door on this side, just a little bit close to the wall, then we're going to go to our modify tab and we're going to click our split element tool. Shortcut for that is SL. We're going to split here close to the door. Just give a little allowance and then just split. We're just going to click on this wall and click on this wall, and then we're going to change it to click on your properties tab, just scroll down under curtain wall. We're going to change it to storefront exterior. So what that does is create a curtain wall for us, and this is what we have here. So now we can see those floors we created easily. We'll be able to see all the interior changes that we're going to be making to this project. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go back to our ground floor plan and we're going to create interior partitions. We're going to go under our architecture tab, we'll click on wall, or you just click WA, and then we're going to go down and we're going to look for a partition wall. I like this one, so we're just going to click on this 2R internal partition wall and just come somewhere here, maybe along the middle, and put it down. We're going to adjust the dimensions later, don't worry much about it. Just click a wall, put it there, put another one there, put another one there, and then we're going to put another one here like this and another one. Then we're going to expand this a little bit more. Then we're going to expand this one somewhere in the middle. So what we're going to do is we're going to click our trim and extend tool, right? And then we're going to click on this side and then we're going to click on this line. So you see that our wall comes back to attach to this one, but we need this place to be open. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on our split element tool, just click in the middle there, and then we're going to do our TR for our trim and extend tool, and then we're just going to fill it or trim and extend. Sorry, AutoCAD habits. There, we've created our internal partition. So now we're going to put a bifold door on this one. So you just go back to door or you click DR, and then we're going to look for our bifold door. So just pick the biggest one and we're going to put it, let it face inside. So we're just going to put our doors there like that. Then we're going to put a regular 900mm door for that one. So is that our single flush door? Just click on 915. And then we're going to, to the side. So you can adjust the direction of your door easily by clicking on any of these arrows, or you could just use tab. Tab is another easy way to just adjust it without bothering about the arrows. Same thing goes with this one too. If you click on tab, you'll be able to adjust them easily. So then we're going to put another door here. Just click here and a similar door and just click here. So that's it for our doors and partition walls for the ground floor. So next we're going to go to our upper floor. But to work on this upper floor, I want us to hide our roof so that we'll be able to see something inside. So just click on your roof, right click and click hide in view elements. Now you see that these partition walls are showing on the upper floor, and we can't have that happening. So what we're going to do is just hover over one of the walls, click tab, and then hold down Control key as you select the rest. So we're going to click attach top / base, and then we're going to click on this one, and you see that it automatically detaches from the floor. And you can just unhide your roof. To do that, just come down here, click on this tiny bulb, reveal hidden elements, right click on your roof, right click again on hide in view elements, and you're done with that. So now we're going to first floor. So on our first floor level, you can see that we can still see the walls that are under, because we previously set our underlay to ground floor. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click on wall or type WA, and then we're going to just create our own walls for this project. So let's say we want our own walls to start from somewhere around here in the middle, and just do that. And maybe we'll just follow this line and just let the walls come like this. And then we'll click our trim and extend tool and just put it like that. And maybe we'll have just type WA again so that we can have another wall that aligns with this one. Now we're just going to put it down here. So just going to trim and extend tool, come down here, click on that and that, and do that. So next we're going to put in our doors for this project too. So just click on DR And we're going to set, yes, we'll set the door this way. And then we'll set another door this way. Or maybe we don't need this door here. Maybe we'll just set it in here so that it can be in suits, if you know what I mean. Then we're going to click on DR again, and then we're going to change our doors to that M double glass door. We're going to pick that one, the biggest one. We're going to come somewhere here. We're going to make it go on the outside, and we're going to go back to our drop down on the properties panel, and we're going to click this single glass mullion door, the biggest one, and then we're going to click it on the outside. So with that, we've been able to create our doors, our curtain walls, and our partition walls. But now this door leads nowhere, so we need to extend our floors out and create our ramp that could take it down to this point. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down first. So we're going to go back to our first floor, click on that wall, going to click edit boundary. Once you've picked that line, just go back and then pick on line, and then just create a slope of any kind, really, to the building. You can just pick as far as you want and just slope it down a little bit. And then we're going to create another line like this. And then we're going to click on our trim and extend tool and fillet. I know this part can be a bit complicated, but you can slow down the video and just follow along as I do everything, and I'm going to try and be as slow as possible. So after you've drawn down that line, we're going to click our split element tool or SL, and then just come to any point between the door, on the door line, just click. And then once you've done that, you've been able to split the elements apart. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our pick line tool. And then you see this line that aligns with the door, just pick that and then pick on both sides. So what you're going to do now is you're going to click your trim and extend tool, and then you're going to pick this line and you're done. This line and this line, and you're done. So you're going to repeat a similar thing for this line. Click escape, go to your split element tool, split this line, escape, trim and extend tool or TR. Click this line and this line, this line and this line, and then you're done. So what you're going to do next is you're going to create another line. Just click on this line, right? And then maybe from somewhere in the middle here, just draw the line. And then you're going to use trim and extend tool. So just type TR, and then you're going to click on this one and this one, and done. And then we're going to click on this one and this outer line, and we're done. So you can just leave it like this, and then we're going to click OK. Would you like it to attach? No, we don't want that. No. Right? So yeah, this is what we have now, and it's pretty cool. So we need a wall to go along with this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to that first floor. We're going to click on our architecture tab and click, or just type WA and select our walls. So now we're going to edit this one. We're going to go down to our retaining 300mm wall. We're going to select depth. Then we're going to go, let it connect to the foundation. Then we're going to pick finish face exterior. Right? So when we do that, we draw our wall. We see that it aligns with the exterior wall. So just click that, click escape. And you see that we can't see our wall. So if you come to 3D, this is what we've created. So you can just go back to your first floor and edit where this one starts from. Just click on this button, this blue button here, this one here, and you're able to edit where it starts from, so that we'll be able to see some of it. And then just edit this one. So we're just going to click on this one, come to the properties panel and set the top constraint to the roof. So you see that it goes all the way to the roof. So we're going to have to edit our roof footprint. So we're going to just click on roof, edit footprint, and we're going to go back to our roof plan to do that so that we'll be able to see. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pick our pick line tool. And then when you pick the pick line tool, set the offset to 900. And we're going to do this, and we're going to do this. So now we're going to pick our trim and extend tool. And then we're going to do this, do this and do this. So we have our roof. So we're going to highlight these two lines and we're going to remove the define slope option for them. So then you're just going to click finish. Then when you go to your 3D, you see this is what you've been able to create. So now we can attach this wall to the roof. So yeah, this is what you've been able to create so far. In the next tutorial, we'll check out how we can put in our windows, railings, ramps, stairs, and all of that to make the building come out a bit more beautifully. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, signing out is Lola of Tor.